we need to talk about something, and that's on a lot of minds right now, the job market. Hey, this is Abhik. Having been into the engineering industry since last 4 years, I'm here to tell you a story. For a long time, the blueprint for success was simple. Get a BTech degree, land a job at a big IT firm, and you were set. It was the golden ticket. But let's be honest, that promise has largely collapsed. A lot of you, especially recent graduates, probably feel a bit gaslit or lied to, and you're not alone. A 2025 Deloitte study found that 69% of Indian engineering students believe their jobs are at risk because of AI. This is a serious concern, and in this video we are going to dive into why the old market is gone and more importantly what you need to do to thrive in this new one. पर आपको समझना होगा कि पुराना मार्केट जो था वो कभी इतना इंट्रीगिंग था ही नहीं। अभी के क्राइसिस समझने के लिए वी नीड टू लुक एट द मार्केट दैट केम बिफोर इट। द प्री 2022 जॉब मार्केट फॉर बीटेक ग्रेड्स, while often romanticized, was built on a fragile foundation. हमने काफी मैसिव सर्च देखा था इंजीनियरिंग ग्रेजुएट्स में फ्रॉम 9 lakhs in 2019-2020 टू अराउंड 13 lakhs by 2021। इतना ज्यादा इनफ्लो में आप समझ रहे हो कि कितना कॉम्पिटिटिव एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट हो चुका था, जो कि अभी के इकोनॉमिक शिफ्ट से रिलेटेड भी नहीं था। फॉर द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ फ्रेश ग्रेड्स द एवरेज स्टार्टिंग सैलरी वाज नॉट वेरी हाई। काफी बड़ा चंक फ्रेशर्स का आईटी कंपनीज लाइक विप्रो, एक्सेंचर ने एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया था, व्हिच पेड मियर सैलरीज in the range of 2.4 to 3.5 lakhs. The truly high-paying dream salary structures were only for a small segment of grads. So that golden ticket was never a universal high-paying job. It was a tiered system जिसने इतनी massive supply को absorb किया at relatively low salaries. This model was scalable, but it was incredibly prone to external shocks. And that's exactly what happened. Now let's move the perfect storm. It's not just AI. The current downturn isn't the fault of a single villain. सब सिर्फ AI को blame करते हैं, पर story कुछ और ही है। ये एक complex economic and industrial transformation shift है. We are dealing with a perfect storm of multiple converging factors. It started with a global economic slowdown and widespread tech layoffs, especially in the US. बहुत ही ज़्यादा Indian professionals के H1B visas affect हुए थे, and उस global correction ने India को भी काफी impact किया. This led to a dramatic reduction in hiring by large IT firms, with the number of graduates hired falling from 50K per quarter 2 years back to under just 5K today. Compounding this issue is the rise of a new and formidable player, Global Capability Centers, इन्हें GCCs भी बोलते हैं। ये ऑफशोर सेंटर्स होते हैं जो कि फॉरेन कंपनीज के बिजनेस फंक्शंस इन हाउस लेकर आ जाते हैं। Since 2015, GCCs have been growing at a compound annual growth rate of 11%, outperforming the top 5 Indian IT companies, which grew at 8% over the same period. The real kickers are that GCCs are not only taking business away from traditional Indian IT firms, but are also attracting top talent by offering more than double the entry offer. This talent drain forces legacy companies to become more efficient, and that's where AI comes in as a crucial catalyst. It allows companies to operate with smaller, more specialized teams, and the market isn't just contracting, it's fundamentally shifting its space, its structure, its demands and its compensation model. Now let's talk about the AI paradox. Jobs aren't vanishing, they are evolving. Here's the most important thing जो हमको समझनी होगी. AI isn't going to destroy all the jobs. It's going to change them. The World Economic Forum and other experts agree that while AI will displace some jobs, it will also create new ones. The key to this transformation lies in the distinction between tasks and jobs. AI's most immediate impact is on the grunt work, या कह लो repetitive tasks, जिसके लिए पहले entry level positions पर काफी hiring होती थी. Think about data entry or basic payroll coordination. These are high automation roles where AI is a direct replacement and competition for human labor. But on the flip side, we have high augmentation roles where workers partner with AI to become more productive and effective. तो jobs ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ जा रही हैं, आ भी रही हैं. The old entry point into a tech career was a generalist degree followed by on-the-job training in a high-volume, low-skill role. But the new entry point is much higher up the value chain. Companies now seek graduates who can leverage AI from day one to perform specialized, high-skill tasks. If you ask me, it's a lot to take in, but yes, that's the shift. Your role is no longer to do all that mundane work, but to manage, customize, or build the AI that does it. This shifts the focus from being a generalist to a specialist with cross-functional expertise. And yes, if you ask me, that's a lot to take in for a fresh grad. Now jumping over to the new blueprint, skills over degrees. So with all that in mind, what is your new blueprint for success? The era where a university degree alone was enough is over. A degree is now a prerequisite, not a guarantee at all. Companies are no longer hiring for potential, but for proof of skills. पूरी इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट्स सिर्फ एक ही चीज बोल रहे हैं. Lively GitHub repo speaks louder than mark sheets. A portfolio of projects and contribution serves as undeniable evidence of your abilities, passion, and work ethic. Internships and hackathons have become the new probation period because they provide the opportunity to demonstrate that you can be productive from day one itself. So what should you build? You can start with a beginner-friendly AI projects. You can deep dive into different LLMs out there. You can use the LLMs to build applications much faster. तो जो चीज करने में आपको पहले 10 दिन लगते, उसके लिए अब आपको सिर्फ 5 दिन लेने होंगे ताकि आप उस पेस से मैच कर पाओ. मैं आपको एक स्ट्रैटेजिक लेआउट देता हूं. There's a clear 3-step learning path that you can follow. First is foundation literacy. First, get a high-level understanding of what AI is, its capabilities, and its limitations. A non-technical course like Andrew Ng's AI for Everyone is a great place to start. Now, second comes the deep specialization. Next, pick a niche and go deep. Recruiters have emphasized that depth beats variety. Become an expert in a specific area like MLOps, prompt engineering, or cybersecurity, even software engineering for that matter. But use AI. Now the third one is also very important. Build and showcase. The most critical step is to apply these skills through hands-on projects. This is how you transform theoretical knowledge into tangible proof of your abilities and bypass the impersonal AI screening loop. Yes, that's happening these days as well. The current market is challenging, but it's not without incredible opportunities for those who adapt. अपनी खुद की गवर्नमेंट इंडिया में काफी इन्वेस्ट कर रही है. The India AI Mission. It is actively working to establish a robust AI ecosystem and infrastructure. Indian companies are also investing heavily in AI, with the 2025 IBM study revealing that 93% plan to increase their AI investments in 2025. Well, the opportunity is immense, but the onus is on the graduate to prepare for it. The old job market is gone, but a new, more dynamic one is waiting for you. The path forward is for the proactive, not the passive. The time to start is now.